The Cedar City Chamber of Commerce and the Les Olson Company proudly present Much Ado About Business, a multi-Chamber of Commerce summer retreat. You're invited to join us on Thursday, July 21st from 1 to 10 p.m. This event will get you excited, connected, and prepared for the second half of the year. Featuring nationally renowned keynote speakers, success stories roundtable, several networking opportunities with business owners from Utah and Nevada, multiple breakout sessions with valuable information from WTC Utah, SBDC, Workforce Services, Southwest Public Health, and many more. As evening arrives, an elegant dinner with festival founder Fred Adams in Southern Utah University's Great Hall. This retreat includes one ticket to Much Ado About Nothing and the Green Show at the Utah Shakespeare Festival, with an exclusive backstage tour of the new Inglestead Theater. An amazing business retreat with so much to offer. A great value for only $100. Register today. Presented to you by the Cedar City Chamber of Commerce. For more information or to register, please call Shannon or Denise at 435-586-4484 or visit cedarcitychamber.org.